Hi, in this Blender video, we'll learn how to model gears and animate them so they rotate like real mechanical gears. Let's get started. Modeling the gear, delete the default cube. Go to the Add menu. From Mesh, select Circle. Set the vertices to 32. Switch to Edit mode. Press E, then S, and move the mouse inward to scale the extrusion. Repeat the E plus S step 4 more times to create layered edges. Press A to select all vertices. Press E, then Z, and move the mouse down to give the gear some thickness. Creating the teeth, switch to face select mode. Select one of the side faces. Go to the select menu. Select a similar perimeter. Then go to select checker, deselect to alternate the selection. Change the pivot point to individual origins. Press E, move the mouse outward to extrude the gear teeth. Select one of the top faces of a tooth. Hold Alt plus Shift and click to add more top faces to your selection. Press E, then S, then Z, and move upward to increase the height of these faces. The gear model is now complete. Animating the gears. Press Shift plus D to duplicate the gear. Move the copied gear along the X-axis, placing it beside the original. Setting keyframes. Select the first gear. With the timeline at frame 1, press I plus K and choose location and rotation. Select the second gear. Press I plus K again and choose location and rotation. Go to frame 250 on the timeline. Press N to open the side panel. Select the first gear. Under the rotation section, set Z rotation to 720 degrees. Press I plus K. Choose location and rotation. Select the second gear. Set its Z rotation to minus 720 degrees. Press I plus K and select location and rotation. Now press play and watch your gears rotate in sync. And that's it. You've just modeled and animated gears in Blender. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.